Hi everyone, I'm Jocelyn. Welcome to my Flash reaction and reviews. Okay, tell me how you really feel about it. Tonight we are going to watch Flash Season 5, Episode 21, and the title is called The Girl with the Red Lightning. Let's go. Oh. This is going to be a crazy episode. I can feel it already.
We need to stop this plague from spreading.
We will.
I'm talking about
We
you.
can't just purge the metahumans in this city. We need to wipe every one of them off the face of the planet.
We will.
Run!
Stroke. Save us at CCU.
Oh, I like the rain effect. Woo!
So I generalize on the door now, touching an annoying hours. What are they?
Wow! Wow, that was cool. Ooh.
I see you too.
Wow. He's like, what is going on? Ooh, that was so cool. I didn't know if this was gonna, I didn't know how this episode was going to turn out. I was hoping, gosh, please don't let this be boring. Please don't let this be boring. I would hate a letdown like the episode just before the season finale. And I already hate the premonition that someone's gonna die because someone always dies on The Flash when it gets close to the season finale. So I was thinking already, who could it be? Could be Captain Singh because he said to Joe, you're in charge. So I'm foreshadowing right there. So it opens up. So Uncle Orland's in her head. He's just in her head. I have to say though, just to the actor Chris Klein, nice to see you back. I'm not really feeling the but okay. He's back, going full circle to the storyline. Did we see him in the first episode? I don't think so. I don't remember seeing him. I'm trying to remember what episode did we come into contact with him. Can't remember. Oh well. Okay. So yeah, what, because she said, okay, let's go. We're ready. So they're gonna just go after all of them. Nora still has some of that darkness in her, which makes her a liability. That is, but it makes her very intriguing too. So, all right, it's good to see everybody on cast there. So I'm enjoying Cisco for as long as we have him, which is just this episode and next. Let's keep going.
Makes me understand Thawne's plan less and less. Why would he send Nora back to create a new cicada only for a newer cicada to appear as harder to stop than the one Nora created?
Rolf, can we get away from Thawne's plan and try to stick to our own?
Yeah, I feel like there might be an answer in this timey-wimey crap that would help us solve this. Nora, where would you find this hyperconduit in 2049?
Probably Allen's laboratory. Allen's won a Nobel Prize for quantum engineering.
Allens? As in Sebastian Allens?
Yeah, do you know him? He's a true genius.
A genius, you say? The guy couldn't even stay awake through a single physics lecture. In fact, I'm pretty sure if it wasn't for his very smart, very considerate college roommate lending him notes, helping him study, he wouldn't have made it through his finals. Nobel Prize, my ass!
Yeah, he knows.
So my thoughts real quick, when Nora is feeling that red lightning, when she's getting that dark matter, that dark force, she is super fast. She is way faster than Barry. Crazy, right? Yeah, that's crazy. They're all going to be coming to CCPD. There's not going to be enough. What's going to happen? But of course, they're all there, so Grace going to be able to just... Okay, with Barry and Iris, again, dampening. They're doing it in the name of protection and love, but Nora, she's not gonna like it. Like I said, she's not gonna stand for that. She's gonna want to do something. I mean, this is Nora now we're talking about. We've kind of got a sense of like what her strong will is, and she's gonna want to do stuff, you know, to be helpful or to save or to anything like that. So it's gonna be, I think something's about to go down. Yep. And Joe as police chief. Look at him. Kind of funny seeing him in this role, but I can see him in this role in the future where he has more confidence. But I think he's onto something. I think Flash Riders are onto something.
I know you guys want me off this whole bomb thing, but you gotta hear this, bro.
Positive and negative.
You guys hear this? So just give me a second, all right? Please. All right. So
This is the original timeline with the original cicada David Hirsch. This is the night of the Enlightenment when Nora interfered with the satellite, giving us our cicada, Orland Dwyer. That's also the same night that Grace goes into a coma. This is where it gets complicated. At some point in the future, Grace wakes up. She becomes her own full-fledged cicada. She goes back in time. She kills her uncle with his own dagger. What happens to all the metas that Dwyer killed? Do they get unkilled? What about all the metas that Grace killed in the future? What did she kill them with? And most importantly, what happens in the timeline where Grace never killed Dwyer? Something doesn't add up.
You might be right. But right now, there won't be any future for any metas if we don't get rid of that dagger. Now, we'll see what the satellites can do. Maybe we're due for a miracle.
You worked for Caitlin and Killer Frost's connection. Let's see what you can do for me, Grace.
Oh.
What's taking
Is that her?
Oh.
Barry, he can't hear them.
Not that she can see us either.
She's gonna get pissed off. Your nose bleeding? Okay, a couple thoughts. I'm right now thinking about Ralph, right? Ralphie. He's on to something. He's on to something because he's looking at it from a different perspective, which I appreciate. And so Barry, you're not listening. You know, I think with Barry and Cisco, they think that they're the experts, but yet it's like, you know, they downplay and they minimize other people on the team and what they can bring. It's kind of ego, you know what I mean? But with Ralph, I think it also connects because you know what? Here's what I'm thinking is that with Reverse Thawne, he's about to go to extinction, right? They're just going to give him the death penalty. So that time before he's going to get extinct, I think they're going to need his power and Barry's power. You know, like positive, negative. I don't know. This is a hunch. I don't know. Anyways, what am I saying? Is that, I don't know. That's what I'm thinking. Positive, negative. We're going to see some major speedster action, you know, for that moment. And Nora's going to bring them together. Nora's going to be the one who's going to be able to bring her dad and Reverse Thawne together, working as a team in that moment. Yep, that's my prediction. That's my prediction. Again, with everything else, let's just watch. But I'm kind of feeling that. I mean, I'm kind of feeling it. Now, girl, if I'm wrong, I'm just kind of feeling it. So.
I was trying to find Grace.
Opening yourself up to Grace and her rage also opens you up to the negative speed force. We don't know anything about it. Don't you get how dangerous that is?
Yeah, I do. And I still want to try. I have to try. Nor you trying almost destroyed Cisco's workshop and almost got yourself killed.
Not to mention, what if Cicada saw through your eyes? You could have given away our location.
No, I made sure there was nothing in my eye line that said Star Labs. Guys, listen. I saw Grace, and I almost saw where she was. Right now, she is putting her pieces together, and when that is done, thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people are going to die. I can't stand around and do nothing.
Yes, you can, because that's what we're telling you to do.
When I first got here, I would rush in to fix things, and by doing that, I always ended up making them worse. But I am not that person anymore. Because of you. You showed me how to use my powers. You taught me how to make the right choices. And right now, I am choosing to face this risk. Nora, this is a terrible idea. I know you feel that way. But I don't. I'm an adult, capable of making my own decisions. I've made up my mind about this. So I am asking you, please, as my parents, stop trying to keep me away from this danger and start helping me face it.
That's good. That's some good stuff right there. I support that. I support it. She's strong.
A few weeks ago, I saw a giant shark fighting a giant gorilla on the 6 o'clock news.
That's a good point. Now look, there's Earth that I want to send you to. It's my Earth. I have some friends there to meet you, but secret, huh? This trip you must not tell anyone, because Cicada will find out. There's multiple Earths, and each will not these Earths contain metahumans. No, they will be our next target. What?
Come with me.
No, I must stay. As long as Cicada is a threat to this Earth, I must fight alongside my friends. Team Flash, they're like
The family.
a family to me, but when I am done, I will come find you. You are the woman I have been waiting for.
Aww.
So, okay, ready? Right.
Hurry up. Go. Quickly. Quickly. Close it. Bye-bye. Please don't let the dagger go. Close it. Close it. Oh, okay. Thank God. Woo. Woo.
You really think you can control your connection to the negative speed force? Find Grace Force?
Yeah, I do. All I need is for you guys to keep our home safe while I do it.
I think I know how.
Oh. Did they just build that?
Let's find Cicada.
Like, that was quick.
Man, those plans got plans.
But fear not, true believers, the Thontrack 2.0 is smaller, sleeker, and
True believers.
I've gone ahead and sharpened the inflection points to account for your negative speed force energy, so if you go full Dante's Peak in there, we'll be safe out here.
On the streets.
I can see the completed atomizer. I can't see where she's taking it.
Remember, Nora, that's not your anger. It's hers.
I see what you're doing.
Okay, something to turn off.
Is your memory machine letting you back into my head? Nope. This is all me.
Is that bad?
It's not good. I'm pulling her out.
No, no. No, she didn't. Your Flash family created metahumans. The particle accelerator, the bus metas, the Enlightenment satellite which you... This isn't my anger. It's yours. You may look different, Grace, but you're still the angry little girl I met the first time I came here. She's in CCPD.
Oh, took all their powers except for Killer Frost.
And now their end begins.
Woo-hoo-hoo! This is getting excited. Again, second to last episode, you know they're going to end in a cliffhanger. Something's about to go down. I think Caitlyn's going to bite the dust. I think. Ooh. I'm already bracing for it. Okay. Back it all up here. Nora. Yes. So we just saw she can connect to Grace. It all ties back to that episode, right? That was cool though. I mean, she was right to tell her parents, I'm an adult. You've already trained me. You gotta trust me now. And sure enough, Barry and Iris, they said, okay, we're gonna trust you. But they put her in a controlled environment. So I'm glad Cisco was there. Ralph, they were all there. It was a controlled environment so she could do it. So I mean, you know what? They created the environment. That's awesome parenting. Okay. Another thing is, so it's interesting that this time around, Nora she's supposedly going to be, I think, the hero. Normally we have Barry as the speedster hero, which he is, but because of Nora and her storyline this year, excuse me, why am I always sleepy? I'm going to stay awake for you all because I've got to. Okay, so Nora is really going to be the hero. So I just find it interesting that it's a female showdown we got going on, right? If that's a female showdown going on, then Barry and Reverse Flash, when they come out, you think they're going to battle? I don't know. I still think there's something there. They either find a common interest or maybe, I don't know. Anyways, maybe in the last episode, we're going to deal with Reverse Fawn being, with him dying, being put to death. I don't know about that. Let's all take deep breaths right now. Because you know it's going to get exciting. So, shh. Everyone take a deep breath in and out. Okay, let's go. I'm chill.
Cricket Freak. You and I have some unfinished business.
Yeah, teamwork. It's not over.
What about our powers? Do we ever win?
Not yet. The dagger's in the atomizer.
Wait. We shoot the dagger while it's still in there. It could detonate the virus.
Guys, she's waking up.
Alright, figure out a way to stop it. Keep her off your back.
This will help. Cisco, remove the dagger and then bridge the atomizer away.
Yeah, there's a slight problem there. Reaching this thing anywhere can set it off.
Good morning, Sunshine. A little different without your power dampening dagger, huh?
Oh, I don't need a dagger to kill you. I never had it before I came to this time.
Uh-oh. Nora's gonna come. She's got to. Ice daggers.
What she said.
Oh yeah.
Once you remove the plate, you should be able to see the control processor plane.
I see it. It's not gonna work. I need a quantum computer to hack this thing.
Wait. I have one.
gauntlet.
Okay, if I can connect to the 3 nodes inside, I'll override the system. If I touch anything else, hasta la vista, baby.
Oh, sheesh. Uh-oh, someone's gonna Caitlyn. It's gonna be Caitlyn.
Yeah, great. How long do we have it here?
However long we have left.
Uh-oh. 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 Here's the scene, right? Uh-oh.
We're not right in the operation game, are you?
You suck at constructive criticism.
Oh, no!
Cisco, get out of there.
Almost there.
He's gonna sacrifice himself.
Cisco, what's going on? It's too late.
Gotcha.
Oh. Oh! Woo! Woo!
The atomizer's off. The dagger. Anything's gonna destroy that dagger. It's gonna be the mirror now. Something doesn't add up.
Hans plans got plans.
She didn't have the dagger in the future.
Oh! What does that mean?
The dagger is Tom's plan.
Oh!
Catch an old
Holy crap, he wanted that to happen. Okay, forget my freaking prediction. That was out the window. Forget that crap. That was all bullshit. That was crap. Okay, never mind, never mind. This changes every. Wow! I'm telling you. I love it when. Woo! My nose is gonna. I'm gonna sneeze soon, so I'm gonna try and get this out. I love it when the writers just like throw up to us. You know what I mean? It's like, what the hell? Did anyone suspect? Okay, seriously, tell the truth. Because if you did, you're freaking like insanely genius. Did anyone even think Thawne had the dagger on him the whole time? What? Wait. Oh, Ralph is so cool. Oh my goodness. So I'm just trying to capture it all. So she never had the dagger the whole time. Was future Gracie connected to Thawne? How did he get that? How did he get that powers? Cause okay, I'm trying to formulate in my head. He had that strapped to him, so it dampened his powers, right? It dampened his powers. So she wanted Grace. He wanted Grace to destroy Barry and his whole family. I mean, I'm thinking, right? Is that what we're gonna see? It's a that whole thing he's been wearing. It shielded that dagger. That's right. What happened? It didn't add up. Oh, I gotta think. I'm trying to think this one through. Wait. Okay. So let my mind think on that. Let's just talk about all the other stuff. The battle. Okay, the fight in CCPD, that was cool. Having Nora in that area when she was like, okay, she sees it. She sees CCPD. She comes out of it weak. I thought she was going to go there, but no. She's supporting Cisco, and I was really afraid. I'm like, okay, someone's going to die. Someone's going to die. But no. No one died in this episode. Whoosh. Okay, I was like, someone's going to die. All right, so that didn't happen. All right, so then what do we have? Does that mean Cisco's going to die next week? Because Carlo Valdez, he's leaving. He's leaving the show. What if he was the ultimate sacrifice? You know? All right. And then so that means, so what was he really using Nora for? He was using Nora to try and figure out the whole cicada incident because he wanted Gracie to go back to the future or back to the present and to go along with this timeline. I'm still on this. With that being said, over in CCPD, I thought that was cool with Killer Frost because she was going to show up, and she had her daggers, and Killer Frost had her ice daggers, and then Ralphie had his daggers. Okay, that may be the line, but I thought it was pretty funny. Oh God, I cracked myself up. Wait, his daggers. His daggers. Oh God, I don't know. It's just. Probably like that girl's. It's just, oh God, it was so funny to me. It was just, well, probably why am I laughing? Because I see myself, on this. It was so funny. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Yes. So of course, I was afraid. I was really, really afraid. So she wants all of. So she wanted. Okay, wait. If Reverse Thawne wanted all those metas, because now I'm thinking Reverse Thawne was doing his bidding indirectly through Future Gracie. So if he wanted all those metas, or maybe he didn't, maybe it was through her, all those metas powers were gone, and then that dagger, if that dagger was destroyed, does that mean then his dagger comes alive? What is that? I don't know. I mean, that's past, that's future, right? So, and how did he then get, man, okay. Let this rest. It'll come to me. Okay. This episode was really good. It was good. I mean, from the second to the last episode, I like how they cut it right then and there. Because we didn't get, we were kind of like waiting, like, okay, where's Reverse Flash? When's the, extermination going to happen? And at the they started with him in that episode, and they ended it with him in that episode. Crazy. Oh, man. I'm still trying to think it out. What was that all about? What was his plan? His plan is to what? He wanted that plan he wanted that past dagger. Yeah, he wanted that past dagger to be destroyed. If that was destroyed, but then look, in the future, that dagger is alive because it's still lit. Oh, I don't want to let this go, guys. I don't want to let this go. I feel like we need to like really put this theory together and come up with something. I wish we can figure this out. Because okay, if the dagger's lit, hold on. That dagger was still alive, right? That dagger was still alive in the past. That means it's alive in the future. With that dagger being destroyed, then in the future it's destroyed and Reverse Flash gets his power and he can escape. Okay. I mean, really? Is that really what he wanted to do? Seems like a simple answer. I don't know. I'm thinking. So then that means it's a damned if you don't, damned if you do situation. It's a catch-22, because if you kill the dagger, then Reverse Flash in the future, he's free. If you don't destroy it, then Gracie kills everybody. Either way, like I said, you're damned if you do, you're damned if you don't. do you then consider massive? I mean, no matter what, you kill the dagger, all those people live, Thawne breaks free. So then what happens? Barry's no longer alive back in the future, but is Nora gonna have to deal with him? But yet, I don't know. I mean, okay, so I got that far. I think I'm gonna have to just rest on that thought. Is that, yeah, I'm gonna rest on that thought that then that when the lights go out, he's free. Then he's gonna get his revenge on that old man, and then have him in there and go. He's gonna to that guy. That's gonna happen. And if that happens, then they're gonna go into Barry's gonna go into the future with Nora, and they're gonna try and catch him. All right. Well, okay. Now I feel like my head is like now done. I did a lot of thinking right there. But I think I feel satisfied with my answer. All right, I'm satisfied with my answer. If you got something more that maybe I missed in an element, or maybe we could build on this theme, then tell me. Write it up. Okay. All right, everybody. We're gonna do some shout outs. I feel good. Whew. I'm glad I took that meditation moment, you know. So now I'm like, whoo. All right, so, all right, people, tell me what you got. And a thank you so much to Derek Stephens, GTA082, Sergi Beeble, AmpDog2, Teo, Teo, Dajliev, Vlogs, Za819 Game Girl, Ichacinco, Xtavior, Dolores Spencer, Enriquez Ruby, Chloe Foreman, Mark Leah 346, Leah 99, Sharose Nadim, Nightlife, and Mag Kababayan Ko. Hey, kumusta ka na? How you doing? Gusto mo pa? Hey, of course, we love the Flash. All right. Okay, everybody. I want to hear what you got to say. But I'm scared. I'm scared about next week. We either say goodbye to Cisco with him leaving, or he died. I don't know how I feel about that, but we're gonna say goodbye to Cisco. So everyone, hold yourself now. Hold yourself. Thoughts and prayers. All right, everybody. See you later. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Watch Jocelyn RP channel. See you later. Bye.